Hello, in this short bonus video, I'm going to teach you how to play this song called Axel F, or otherwise known as Crazy Frog. So, the song goes something like this. Let me play it really quick. And then it just repeats and repeats. So this is it's a short song, it's a short phrase, but it's really catchy and it's fun to play. So the right hand begins something like this. Let's learn that as a first phrase first. So it's going to be F, A flat, F, B flat, F, E flat, F, like that. So try that. F, A flat, F, and then you jump. Then you jump, and then you go F, B flat, quickly, so. Like that. Then your second finger goes down, E flat, F. So put it together. And then the second phrase is gonna go F, C. Like that. So it goes F, C, F. You just jump off right away, the same thing. Then you go to C sharp like that. So practice that. One more time. Then you go down from C sharp, C, A flat, F. So the second phrase is going to be like that. Do it again. Okay, let's put the first phrase and the second phrase together. Like that. I'll play it slowly again. Okay, right when you end the second phrase, you immediately go F. So you end on F. You go F, C, F, 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 C, F, octave F down. That's how you end it. You go E flat, C, G, F. You like jump E flat again. So let's start right here. F, C, F, F, jump E flat, then E flat, C, G, F, like that. So let's combine the whole song together with one hand so you can see how it looks like. There we go, then you can add this at the end. Okay, now we're gonna add the left hand to that. Let me play actually the normal tempo. Once you know the notes really well, you could actually play that. So the left hand, you're gonna start F, F with F right here. Octave again, like we did for popcorn. Next time when you play F, you go to A flat to the second melody. Go down to F, and C, over C, yeah, C, this would be E flat. Just like it. So you go F, A flat, F, C, F. So that is the song with the holding. Now we're going to do what we did on popcorn, where we play on each beat. There we go. So you can play the first time with just holding notes. Do the beats. And if you actually really got it, then you could go do this like we did in popcorn. Well, that is for more advanced playing. Anyways, so that is a song for Crazy Frog. I hope you like it. It's really entertaining to play. It's short, it's fun, and people like to listen to it, and people like to play it as well. So, thank you for watching this bonus video. Let's move on to the next video.